Hi, I'm Kevin from EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Mid-season shade cloth replacement costs you roughly 3 times what you paid the first time. I've seen it happen to growers in Chile and Spain. They thought they saved money up front, then paid for it twice. Here's the math. You buy a cheap net, it fails or doesn't give the right shade, and you have to swap it mid-season. That's not just the cost of new cloth. You're paying for a crew to remove the old one and install the new one. That's labor you didn't budget for. And worst of all, your crop sits exposed during that gap. Heat stress, sunburn, lost yield. I've installed these nets myself in Australia and New Zealand, and I've seen that uncovered period cost more than the net itself. The total bill, cloth, labor, crop loss, adds up to about 3 times your original purchase. So when you choose a shade net, don't just look at the price per square meter. Match it to your specific crop, your climate, and your season. That first choice is the one that saves you money. Next time you're buying shade cloth, ask yourself, am I buying for the whole season or just for today? That question could save you thousands. Thanks for watching and see you next time.